Hello and welcome back to Obscure Jewels, where I am your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Coast. And today we'll be reading from Listen and Learn in Your Neighborhood by Erin Grobarek, illustrated by Erin Kwiat. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. In your neighborhood, look left and right. Look in front and behind.
Go away.
What kinds of neighbors do you find?
Neighbors.
In your neighborhood, a teacher helps you learn new things. When it's time to start, the school bell rings.
Teacher.
In your neighborhood, a bus driver takes you for a ride. Here's the bus. Honk, honk, just hop inside.
Bus driver.
In your neighborhood, a doctor checks your ears and nose.
Eureka.
She listens to your heart. Lub, dub, it goes.
Doctor.
In your neighborhood, a police officer guards and protects. Tweet goes his whistle, you cross next.
Police officer.
In your neighborhood, can you smell those fresh treats baking? Ding goes the oven. What's the baker making? In your neighborhood, a construction worker will drill and dig. Her tools and trucks are noisy and big.
Construction worker.
In your neighborhood, a firefighter keeps you safe from harm. Clang, clang goes the fire station's alarm.
Firefighter.
In your neighborhood, a musician plays and keeps the beat. When you hear the music, tip tap your feet.
Musician.
In your neighborhood, look around at friends old and new. Who else is in your neighborhood? That's right, you. The end. And that was Listen and Learn in Your Neighborhood by Erin Grobarek, illustrated by Erin Kwiat. So as always, thank you a million times over for tuning in, for liking, for subscribing, for sharing, all the above. And until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you. Bye.